Today we're looking at signing in and using Skyward to check your grades, check your classes, and other information. The first thing you want to do is go to the Lawrence Township website at www.ltschools.org. In the upper right hand corner you will find the Skyward login link. You're going to click on the Skyward login link. To log into Skyward, you're going to use the username and password that was given to you during school registration. Your username is your student ID number. Your password is the first initial of your first name capitalized, first initial of your last name lowercase, and then your birth date. We can now see all the information that is available to us. You have upcoming events on the right side. You have information about your account. You can change phone numbers, that kind of information. You can, over on the left side, we have information as far as your grades. You can check your grades from here. It will show the current grading period that we're working in yellow. It will also show your grades. Each class that you are listed in will be listed underneath each one. If you click the arrow beneath the class, you can see the assignments that have been entered in recently and the grades that you earned on that assignment. If you click on the grade that's in the term here, you will find details about that grade, the highest score, the lowest score, the average, that kind of information. You can also click on the tab that says GPA to get your grade point average. Your attendance over here on the left is the next item. You can check your attendance. It will show you the date, whether it's tardy, absent, excused, what block, G1, and it'll tell you what class, maybe geometry. Your schedule over on underneath, next, will show you what classes you were in for the third term, what classes you were in for the fourth term, and it also will show you up here what class you are currently in based on the time and day. You can also, when scheduling time appears in the spring, you can log in and you can request your classes for the following school year. If you click on each class, you get information about that class. Academic history is your next link. You can see what classes that you have taken, what classes that you're going to take. Your report cards and transcripts, you can click here for any transcripts if you request a transcript. Your login history tells you how many times you've logged in, when the last time you logged in was, what areas you viewed, that kind of information. So this is a brief overview of your Skyward login. And again, if you forget your username and password, there is a link in the training module for you to request your password. There's also a link on the student launch page that you should have bookmarked on your Chromebook.